morning, everybody. It's Mrs. Sinone here. I just wanted to say happy April Fool's Day, happy April 1st. Hopefully, if you're pranking anybody at home, you have fun with it and you make sure that they have fun with it too, and we're not making a huge mess for anybody to clean up. I wanted to touch base with you guys and kind of just debrief today's assignments. So it is a Wednesday, so we do have science today. Make sure we check the science classroom. There is a science assignment up. It's actually about how we actually pollute outer space. Believe it or not, humans even put pollution into outer space. It's totally crazy. Then today for math, you are going to be multiplying fractions by a whole number. So guys and gals, I attached a video for this one. This is one of those skills that we did 2 chapters ago, but we kind of struggled with a little bit. So I attached a video for you to watch. Please watch it before you start the Google form, okay? That way it will help you. I'm going to go ahead and say that if you were not happy with your math score on the first 2 assignments, I will give you an opportunity to redo those 2 assignments from this week, those 2 Google Forms with the adding and subtracting of fractions. I want to make sure that you're also going back and looking at those videos. Guys, I post the videos to help you. It's kind of like when we're in math class, right? We do the first part of class together where we do problems together and you get to see how they're done and you get to see some tips and tricks and some hints to help you, and then you practice the problems on your own. So please make sure we're watching those videos, okay? Because that's going to help you. For reading today, we're not reading anything new. You're going to take the end of the book, Maniac Magee. It's all multiple choice. You can use your book. You can you can look back in the book to answer any of those questions. So take your time, okay, and give me your best effort, okay? I still have some friends who are not checking in on Google Classroom, so I'm going to be reaching out today to some families and just make sure that we're okay with technology and that we are remembering to do that. So I'll be reaching out to some families today just to touch base. I am going to have to cancel today's Zoom. Mrs. Lotek scheduled a meeting with the 5th grade teachers at the same time, so I'm not going to be able to do our class Zoom today. So we will Zoom tomorrow, though, I promise. Okay, so there will be no class Zoom today because I have a meeting with Mrs. Lotek on Zoom at the same time, so she can give us some information about report cards and all that kind of fun stuff. If anybody did paper packets, the paper math packets, if you have not already sent me pictures of them, or you can't send me pictures of them, then the school is going to put out some bins today right out in front of the main entrance doors by the office where you can put them in a bin, and I will head down in a few days and pick them up. Okay, this is only if you did not already send me pictures. A lot of you did. If you haven't sent me pictures and you can send me pictures, I prefer to do that. Okay, so that way it's a little bit less, germy and stuff like that. Please make sure if you're turning in work that you are putting your name on it, my name on it, and it goes in the 5th grade bin. Okay. I will be available for questions all day long on Google Classroom, on Remind. Send me an email. Now, guys, your school emails, unfortunately, I'm going to talk to Mrs. Biller today and see if there's a way that they can actually go through to me, because what's happening is they're not going through to me, and then I'm not able to respond back to you, so that's kind of a problem. So I'm going to talk to Mrs. Biller today to see if there's a way that we can open that up. All right? I will see you guys on Zoom tomorrow, not today, okay? But I am here. I'm here if you have questions, so please send me your questions, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, okay? Bye.